That CMMS Dude video. This is the 6th video in our video series covering distribution leak investigations that become a leak repair. In the previous video, we covered the section supervisor reviewing the work order, assigning labor, and scheduling the job for execution. In this video, we will cover the field staff finding the work order in the field and executing the work up to the point where the excavation is dug and ready for entry. The first thing I'm going to show you is the work order filter and how the field staff should have it set up. As you can see, we have the work order status, job scheduled to crew, job started crew working, and on hold. Also, we're looking for assigned to Matt Underwood. Matt is going to be the crew leader for this example, and this is how his filter should be set up as default. Returning to the results list, you can see there's only one work order that matches this filter, and it's the work order at 1818 Laguna Street for the service line repair that we're wanting to execute. So prior to leaving the yard, Matt should access this work order and review it. Should check for any attachments, any pictures of the job, open the summary section, scroll down and look for any comments that may give additional information. Check the description. Check the long description for additional details from the supervisor. Scroll down and check the distribution job type and make sure that it matches the job description, which in this case it does, the service line repair. Look at the leak detection information. Check the USA ticket number. Make sure that we have the authority to dig. And then at the top, we're going to check this icon here. Check the asset that it's written against, which is the service line, which matches the description of the work, a service line repair. So we're looking good. Next, we're going to hit the back arrow, click on the task list, and open up the excavation tailgate. We're going to change the status to job started crew working. And then we're going to fill out a number of these fields, starting with the work site, work description, and the before leaving yard section. This includes things like has the crew stretched, the GIS map reviewed, traffic controls planned, and so on. At this point, the crew leader is ready to dispatch his crew and head to the field. Once arriving on the job site, the excavation tailgate task should be filled out in the site planning section, the emergency repairs section, the traffic control section, and the excavation section. And then we hit save. Once the excavation has been dug, we'll fill in the cave-in protection section, which includes things like the excavation depth, whether or not shoring or trench boxes have been installed, and the before entering excavation section and the tools section. Once all of these are filled out, we will go to the status, set this task to complete, and hit save. This concludes executing a leak repair up to the point where the excavation is ready for entry for the repairs to be made. Like always, thank you for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next video.